Hello, hello, hello. This is George at Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. And I had the pleasure of traveling down to meet the owner of this brand new 26 Chevy Suburban High Country. Met her down in the Dells on Tuesday. Got a full interior, full exterior coating applied here. I'll show you the interior first because I absolutely love this mocha color interior. Interior coatings will include leather, textile, plastic, and cloth. The only things we skip are seat belts, headliners, and electronics. I showed the step up there for just a second. I know that's on the exterior. We do coat that, but as soon as I close the door, you see it collapses. The full exterior of this vehicle is also coated. 8-year coating applied. Glass, plastics, the badges, the rims, trim, the paint. Everything on the exterior except the rubber has an 8-year coating applied. It'll be high gloss, easy to clean, and chemical resistant for years to come. Just a shot in the sun. White looks great. And it's something where coating really does add just a little more depth, a little more reflection to a white vehicle. I think the owner made a great choice with the mocha and the white. Huge fan. So if you're in the market for a new vehicle, whether Chevy, a Suburban, or just a new vehicle in general, I'd love to talk. Send me a text at 920-659-0023. Get you some information for a quote for your new vehicle. Answer any questions you might have.